Hi everybody, it's me, Miss Erin. I'm back again to read you some Halloween books. As you can see from the sign behind me, Halloween is kind of a big deal at my house. Got my spider earrings on, my pumpkin shirt, and to go along with that, I'm going to read you The Five Little Pumpkins, but this time with Pete the Cat. So this is Pete the Cat and Five Little Pumpkins by James Dean. Some of you may know this story or maybe the song already. So if you do, feel free to say it along. Here we go. Pete the Cat and the Five Little Pumpkins. 5 little pumpkins. Should we count them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're sitting on a gate. And the first one said, "Oh my, it's getting late." You can tell by the moon. The second one said, "What's that? There are witches in the air." It's not like a broomstick I've ever seen before. The third one said, "We don't care." The fourth one said, "Let's run and run and run." The fifth one said, "I'm ready for some fun." They're gonna go trick or treat. Ooh, went the wind. And out went the lights. And the 5 little pumpkins rolled out of sight. Happy Halloween.